everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a laundry room makeover as well as my linen cupboard. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how you can do an inexpensive DIY in your laundry. I hope you enjoy. So guys, my inspiration was to create a mudroom bench in my laundry room. So I headed off to my local recycle centre and I found these two cube shelves, and you're not going to believe it guys, I paid $2.50 each for these. Now I wanted to be able to make this bench without any construction whatsoever, and I had a wonderful idea. First off, I took them outside and I gave them 2 coats of spray paint. So once they were dry and I brought them inside, I wasn't happy with the spray paint guys. It just didn't do the coverage that I was hoping for. But I used this as my base and I then took some white paint and I gave it 2 coats also. Now here is the space that I wanted to make the little bench. So what I'm doing is just taking those 2 cube shelves, lying them on their side and pushing them together. Now, when it comes to DIYs, guys, that I do by myself, I do not measure. I really just hoped for the best, and these fitted perfectly in the spot that I needed. I then headed off to Bunnings, guys, and I wanted something to go on top of my little bench, and I came across these beautiful shelves. Now, this is just a pre-stained shelf that you can pick up at Bunnings, and again, would you believe it, I didn't measure this. I just went, oh yeah, that'll do. But if hubby was watching this video, he'd be like, Michelle, what are you doing? He measures everything precisely, whereas I'm just like, oh well, if it fits, it fits. Now I also popped into Kmart and I got some of these neutral collapsible storage cubes, and I just thought these were perfect for the spot. Again, I hoped for the best if they'd fit, but of course they did. Now I wanted to add some art in my laundry, so I had some of these old frames that I decided to give a makeover, spraying them black and gold. And what I did is I just went on Pinterest and I found some cute little laundry art and I framed them. If my highs are highs, my lows are low, need to blow off some steam to get back up. I'm not someone you should cheat on, 'cause when I come back strong. Raise your glass to the sky. So once I decorated my little hooks above the bench, I now started on the real problem at the other end of my laundry room. This is my linen cupboard, guys. It is a walk-in linen cupboard, and clearly I have way too much going on in here. I need to stay away from TK Maxx, guys. But today was the day that I pulled everything out. I sorted, I donated, I gave away, and we're going to now do a little makeover at this end of the laundry. So the first thing I wanted to do here was go in and take off this contact paper. I really loved it when I originally done it, guys. I did a very glam pink look with pink and black and white polka dots, and I decided that because my theme is very farmhouse and very neutral, I wanted both ends of the laundry room to match. So I've decided to take off the polka dots today, and I'm going to go in with some more Kmart contact paper, but this time in a rattan print. So it was a little fiddly to take off this contact paper, but I got there in the end, and then I added the beautiful rattan contact paper. I really love how this came. Now
Now I repurposed, guys, by using the black baskets I already had, and I picked up a couple more of the rattan looking baskets that are from Kmart as well, and I mixed them together and took away the pink baskets. And oh my goodness, I can't tell you guys, if you have an area in your home which is your drop zone, it's just getting out of control, you just don't want to go in that room because it just gives you nightmares. That's how I felt about my linen cupboard. But now look at it, guys, I feel so much more organized. I feel so much more happy within myself to enter my laundry, do my laundry, go in and fold towels and put everything away, and it just, oh my goodness, it feels so much better.
Going round in circles. It's going round in circles.
I am so happy with how my little bench came. Can you believe I didn't use a nail, a screw, a hammer, nothing, guys. Just paint, push them together, added a little bench top, and oh my goodness, it is the cutest little mudroom bench, and I'm just so happy with how it came.
Standing by the lake where we always used to hide. And now I'm running from myself, got a feeling that my hands are tied. The water showing me the sky and a reflection of myself I don't recognize. I should be honest with myself, I no longer have you by my side.
Now, because my laundry room has a very farmhouse theme, I've stuck to that, guys. I decorated my shelves with little farmhouse decor, but I also absolutely love this laundry room sign that I picked up from Eureka Street Furniture. I thought it went perfectly here. I really love the cute little laundry art that I put in those frames. I always recommend, guys, when you're doing DIY projects, always shop your own home. Find things that you already have and give them a makeover, because you can instantly have new home decor. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your laundry room and doing any DIY project that doesn't require any construction. So don't forget that I'll be back next Sunday, guys. For all my glam lovers, I have a wonderful vintage glam video coming your way. So that'll be next Sunday at 8:30 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.